Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corinne and I share a lot of videos about family life, working full-time with the craft embroidery business, and being a small Etsy seller. Today's video, I wanted to show you some of the craft supplies that I just recently got from Amazon. One of the first things that I got, I don't know if you can see it, this is one of those iris containers. It's pretty large. It's the 12 by 12 and it came with a 6-pack for like 20 something dollars. Also, I do a lot of embroidery. If you've been watching my other videos, if you're familiar with embroidery, I do a lot of in the hoop projects. And one of the things that I run out of the most is bobbin. So I got this set of 25 pre-wound bobbins. I could wind them myself, but I always had trouble when I would wind my own bobbins. If you're an embroiderer or a sewer, if you're not careful when you're winding your bobbin, all the thread goes underneath the little thing that your bobbin sits on, and it's a complete mess. So I don't like that. So I buy pre-wound bobbins, and I've always got my pre-wound bobbins from Amazon, and I know a lot of people don't like to use them, but they've always worked out, pretty good for me, and they last a long time. I also got this 100 pack of zippers. These are 14-inch zippers. I bought these because I want to start making small makeup bags, just small little purses, and I think the standard size zipper that you want to use is like a 9-inch. I had these that I had previously bought. I think I got these from Glitterbug Fairy. I'm not sure if she still sells zippers, but these are 7 inches. And for the type of bags that I wanted to start making, the 7-inch was just a little bit too small. So I took a chance, because some of the reviews on Amazon for the 9-inch zippers, some of them were saying that the zippers were not technically 9-inch and they were still kind of small. So I didn't want to take a chance on that and then my zippers not be long enough for what I need. So I got the 14-inch and I wanted the assorted pack because I'll be making different color bags, and I wanted the zipper to kind of match the bag as close as it could. I also, guys, I bought a 100 pack of split rings. They come with a D-ring, and I would really love to show you those, but I can't find them. I got this Amazon order like a week ago, and I'm currently sharing my craft office with my 9-year-old son. He does not use his bedroom. He stays in our second living area. So I've been kind of moving some things around, and some kind of way I had a 100 pack of split rings, and I have no idea where I put them. So kind of upset about that, but I'm sure once I order another set, the ones that I lost will pop up. That's just kind of the way that it goes. But I sell a lot of lip balm holders. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these are the lip balm holders that I sell. I make all of these on my embroidery machine. It's in the hoop, and what you do, it fits a small little lip chap or little lip gloss. And I also make little keychains and zipper pulls. This is actually what I got, not the key ring that I showed you. I got these kind, and I was trying to find one that was cheap. So I ended up buying like the swivel part. I get 50 of these, and the ones that I showed you, 50 more of these. So to me, it was just cheaper to get the set together. You would get more because I don't necessarily have to put this ring. I don't have to connect it to this. So I could just use this ring, and I could make 50 keychains and then 50 little snap tabs, zipper pulls people put on their, purses and on their backpacks. But needless to say, I need a lot of these. So I'm going to have to place an order for some more of those because I don't want to waste time trying to find the ones that I misplaced because it's giving me a headache. And I also got these little poly mailers. Purple is my absolute favorite color, so just about, I do have some pink and blue bags, but if I can find purple, that's what I'm getting. And let's see, what size are these? These are 6x9. And I bought these just in case there's something small that I need to mail off. I don't really make anything that's too big. I do make like birthday shirts, but I haven't sold any that I need to ship out. So if that time comes, I do have some bubble little mailers that I like. But I wanted these little bags because I like them. I like that they are kind of rain waterproof, and they're not very easy to get into. Even my order, they put it inside a poly mailer, and I had the hardest time opening that. So anyway, so I bought these just in case I need to send something off. Okay, so I'm going to end this video for today. Keep checking back because I plan on doing a video of the zipper bags that I make. And then I have a few other things that I'm going to make also. So don't forget to give this video a like. Leave a comment if you have any questions about anything that I'm making, anything that I've ordered, or if you just have any comments about any type of craft videos that you want to see. I do all kinds of crafts, from embroidery to vinyl to paper crafts to sublimation. If there's anything that you want to see, something you want to learn how to do to add it to your hobby or add it to your business, just leave a comment down below. And again, if you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And until next time, have a good day.